Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.
Besides me is a 2010 Infiniti G37x with high mileage on it. And the owner is a YouTuber himself.
Hey, what's good everybody? My name is Vince. My YouTube channel is VTTV Reacts. Make sure you guys go check that out. And as you can tell, we're outside. We're in this gloomy weather to film for you guys.
And we have a UPS truck right behind us, so if you can't hear us.
Beside me is my pride, my joy, my baby.
As you heard the man, this is his pride and joy, point A to B car. Let's see if this car is still reliable in today's day and age. Check out his channel, subscribe, and like his videos. The 2010 G37X has a 3.7 liter V6, naturally aspirated, 328 horsepower, and it's paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission.
Stock, all stock, bro.
All stock, so it has 272,400 kilometers. So it's like a BMW then. You have to go.
Is that how it works? You
Yeah.
go down and up.
Some of them, like, so you know how you have a drive?
Yeah.
And then if I go drive, like in manual mode, it goes in drive sport first.
Oh, weird thing.
So one thing I noticed right away, there's no creaks, no rattles in this car still. That's actually impressive. Infiniti's done a good job. The exhaust note that they have, I think stock, it's probably one of the best in compared to a Lexus or an Acura. A little on the looser side for steering, but it's not a sports car, it's just a sports sedan. And it is 11 years old. Did you do a lot of maintenance on it?
Only oil changes. That's HIDs. One of them went out, so I had to replace them.
Yeah.
Which was like $30.
Oil burning issues and stuff?
No, nothing.
No, eh?
No.
So you see, like, Vince has kept good care of his car.
Yeah.
He's the second owner, so the first owner obviously took good care as well. So both of them, they're making this baby a legend.
Chippers.
Yeah.
Chippers.
It's a healthy engine. It is a rear wheel biased all-wheel drive, so you can still have fun with the car when you're doing some spirited driving. So just to give you guys an idea, this is like exactly 100 kilometers. The car is quiet. You don't hear a lot of wind noise. You don't hear any creaks, any rattles in the car. So Vince is obviously driving in style on the highway.
It's very comfortable. I think, is that stock? I'm not too sure.
Look at that.
Yeah. Instant power.
She pulls. So the competition for this car was the Audi A4, BMW 3 Series, Mercedes C-Class, Acura TL, Lexus IS, and then it was the Infiniti back in the day. And Infiniti had the most power out of all of them. When comparing the exterior of all these cars, I think Infiniti sits right in the middle of the pack. Let me know in the comments section which car you think is the best looking when it comes to the exterior.
You want it, you need it, but why?
The things that I like, first thing would be the exhaust note. For a stock car, that is actually a really good exhaust note. Very impressed by the comfort still at 272,000. And it even has a nice power steering rack. So you don't get that a lot in cars of those years. You know, I appreciate that because if you're going for a luxury car, you want that. The nav is actually much better looking than the Lexus and the Acuras. Yeah, even in a 2016 IS, we were having issues with the nav. Like, it was so basic. Like, this is actually...
Really?
Yeah, this is...
It's not even updated.
The graphics on a Lexus IS that you pay 60,000 for. This is obviously the 2016 onwards, right?
Yeah.
The audio streaming on this car. In most cars at that time, it wasn't an option in the cars. So that's something that's Infiniti was, I guess, ahead of times. Right when you open the door, you're like, wow, this has been well kept.
Yeah. Doesn't feel like 11 years.
No, not at all. And another thing, the only fading that I see is on the steering wheel, but that's every car, because that's the thing you use most in a car. So it's after 11 years, it's still in good condition, man. How many kilometers would you get? Because
less than 500.
Less than 5, okay.
Yeah,
apart from the bad gas mileage, I think the only thing I can really say that is a dislike is the steering feel. It does have steering feel that's on the looser side, but that also could be because it has high miles and the suspension components have not been changed. These were the only two dislikes that I really had in this car, to be honest.
It feels like you got it. You want your roller coaster.
Final thoughts on the G37X. Looks like it's been a very reliable car for Vince and the first owner, and all they've done is regular maintenance on it. It is a reliable car in today's day and age. If you guys have a car that's high mileage and you'd like to share a story, leave me a comment. I would love to read and reply to you guys. The thing with, oh, this car's not reliable, that car's not reliable, I think those days are gone. Most manufacturers have learned from their mistakes. If you guys maintain your car properly with like the proper intervals, and even like go try to get some preventative maintenance done beforehand, these cars still last till this day. Well, that's it for today's episode, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next week. Hakman and Vince out.
Peace.